Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, my hair looks quite dull and flat. So today I'll be creating a soft blow dry effect using blow dry brush and a curler. So let's get started. First I am applying heat protection spray all over my hair. Then I have taken box section and I'll divide this section into 3 parts. Now I am taking one section at a time and using blow dry brush and setting it with roller. This step is very important because heat plus setting will give long lasting volume. And repeat same process in remaining parts. For side section, I am using a curler to create soft curls and again setting those curls with roller so that they can hold their shape nicely. Rest of the hair I will curl, and this is 38 mm size iconic curler. Now clip each section with section clips. Leave the hair for few minutes and release roller and clips one by one. After opening all the sections, now it's time to remove the rollers. So here is the final look. You can see the beautiful bounce and blow dry effect. You can also try this out and tell me how it worked for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, do subscribe to my channel and see you in my next video.